Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made this really beautiful large wall decor piece using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used 14 of the Dollar Tree round mirrors, some silver diamond wrap, some assorted gems and mirrors that I had from a previous project, as well as silver spray paint, and finally my strong adhesive glue gun and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove all 14 mirrors from their frames. Next, I used my hot glue and strong adhesive to attach 7 of those frames together. I made 2 of these large pieces. The hot glue gave me a strong enough hold that allowed me to flip my pieces over, clear away any glue strings or excess glue, and then I took both pieces out to a well-ventilated area and gave them 2 coats of my silver spray paint. Once my spray paint was dry, I brought one of my large pieces back in and I returned the cardboard back to its frame without the mirror. I also added some hot glue to the back of each of the cardboard pieces to ensure that each piece was firmly in place. My original idea was to hang the piece with these hanging hooks, but the piece ended up being too heavy for this, and I'll show you later on in the video how I solved for that. I then flipped my large piece over and then I used a thin layer of the Fix All adhesive to attach the mirrors to the top of those frames. I definitely took my time here. The key was to only use a thin layer of the strong adhesive and to drop the frame in the right position and slightly adjust it as needed. Once it's in place, you should be able to add some slight pressure to the mirror without it falling through the frame. I added the mirrors back to each of the frames with the exception of the center frame. Next, I glued down my second large piece on top of the first. I arranged this second piece slightly different so that a portion of those bottom mirrors would be visible. Here, I'm starting out by gluing down the bottom center frame to the top. I then waited for about an hour for the glue to set, and then I went around and glued down the remaining frames. Next, I followed the same steps to re-add those mirrors on top of those 7 frames. As you can see, the center frame is completely covered on the bottom. This is why I did not re-add that mirror to the center frame on the bottom. I then allowed my design to dry overnight. The following day, I used my small mirrors and my diamond wrap and gems to hide all of my design imperfections. I used both the Fix All adhesive and the hot glue to attach the assorted mirrors, but only the hot glue to add my diamond wrap and my clear gems. Once my 3-inch mirrors were in place, I also used these assorted smaller mirrors as well. I then added single rows of the diamond wrap to my design, as well as some of the clear acrylic gems as well. I then removed any excess glue and cleaned my mirrors, but I did notice that this was a little heavier than I anticipated, and I didn't trust the hanging hooks to support the weight. So for a quick fix, I grabbed a piece of foam board that I already had and had used to spray paint on another project. I got it from the Dollar Tree. I simply cut that foam board in half, glued those two pieces together, and then glued that foam to the back of my design. To hang my design, I'm going to use 4 sets of the large command strips, and I'll add those to all 4 corners of my foam board. Here's the mirror that was previously hanging in my daughter's bathroom. I'll leave a link below to this mirror in case you're interested in how I created this last year. And here is her new updated wall mirror, and I think it turned out beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.